How to cast iPhone to Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Ensure that both your iPhone and Samsung Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step number 2. Enable AirPlay on your Samsung Smart TV. On your Samsung TV, go to Settings, General, Apple AirPlay Settings. Make sure that AirPlay is turned on. You can also set Require Code to First Time Only for easier future connections. Step number 3. Open the Control Center on your iPhone. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Step number 4. Select Screen Mirroring. In the Control Center, tap on Screen Mirroring. A list of available devices will appear. Step number 5. Choose your Samsung Smart TV. Select your Samsung TV from the list of devices. If this is your first time connecting, a code may appear on your Samsung TV screen. Step number 6. Enter the code if prompted. Enter the code displayed on your TV screen into your iPhone to establish the connection. Step number 7. Start casting. Once connected, your iPhone screen will be mirrored on the Samsung Smart TV. You can now view photos, watch videos, or display any app content directly on the larger screen. Step number 8. Stop casting. To stop mirroring, open the Control Center again, tap Screen Mirroring, and select Stop Mirroring.